Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I'm Khadijah and we're getting into this makeup look. She's T. Also, we're using a lot of new products that I've never used, so let's get right into it. So for primer, the primer is not new, but she is true to this. This is the e.l.f. Power Grip Matte Primer. You guys, I love a matte look. And I feel like you just have to know what type of, are you a matte girly, are you a glowy girly, but I'm gonna stick with my matte primer. The first pickup that I picked up was the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the brow pencil. You guys, now I have used her many times before, but I've never used this color. This is in shade Dark Ebony, and she's so tea, like she's so tea. And I was using another color before, but I just felt like this one actually matched my brow color best. So this is the one that we picked up. I think the color I had before was I forget what it's called. Let's just do this. You guys, I tweezed my brows and I did them a little bit different. I do want to go get them done so that they can be even, so then I can maintain them. But I feel like I let my brows, I was growing them out so much, and then I was like, wait, I don't have a shape anymore. So then I had to fix it. But I feel like we're kind of getting back to where we need to be. So we're gonna clean them up with our concealer. And I've used this concealer many times. This is the Hourglass in shade Flax, which I think is a pretty color, because it really is like medium to full coverage. I would say closer to the full coverage side though, for sure. Okay, so for foundation, you guys, we're going to be going in with our Fenty Beauty Pro Filter in shade 410. I'm just going to use this down here, but we're also going to go in with the Chanel Lace. I don't even know how to say this, you guys. It's called Chanel Le Base Tint. It's a healthy glow foundation, and this has SPF in it. But yeah, this is shade 01. I would say this is definitely more neutral. It actually puts into perspective how different like the Fenty is, because this one looks like my true tone, where like you can see with the Fenty. That's crazy. Let's just see how they do when they mix. Because when I do the Fenty by itself, I'm like, oh, this is like my true foundation color. But then using that one, I'm like, whoa, it looks so different. But also I will say, the Chanel one right now is my true tone, but it still hadn't oxidized. Okay, I'm gonna use whatever's left and just kind of blend out my eye, because I kind of want this to be more natural. So now we're gonna go in with our concealer under the eye, and I'm just gonna load up a lot right here. And we are going to let her sit for a while, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm excited about this. For blush, we're going to be using this Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Cheek Tint in the shade 50.5. You guys, she's so pretty. Not super pigmented, so I'm going to layer this. But I really want this to be closer to like the apples of my cheeks. A little bit higher, I would say, like right above the apples of my cheeks. I would say her consistency, it's like definitely thinner. So I feel like this is something that's more buildable. But I like that, because I feel like any other blush that I've had, and it's been so much, it's been too much, you guys. Like that is really just like a hint of pink. I think I want to add one more layer. I'm just gonna do that in a circular motion and bring that up. I'm only using so much because I really am kind of planning in makeup, and this is like our spring vibes, so yeah. Now we're gonna blend out under our eye with this Morphe brush. Okay, we're gonna use a little bit of this. This is not new, but it's one of my favorites. This is the Chanel Sublimage Tint. I don't really know how to say it, you guys, honestly. And we're gonna let that just sit for a little. I'm putting a little on my nose. I really like this one because this one is like thicker. She's pretty. Oh wait, you guys, I forgot that I had a freaking fan and it matches. I'm using that blush brush again and just kind of blending out the edges. You guys, the translucent powder that I'm using is the Beauty Bakerie. This is a new one. It is called, I don't know, it just says Better Not Bitter, and it's in the shade Oat. They actually sent me this, so thank you, Beauty Bakerie. And I really wanted to like test it out. I have used it before, but I just used it to kind of set the first layer. And now I'm gonna go in with these two. These are not new, but baby, I love Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Toffee in shade 330, and then this one is in 130. I'm gonna use the shade 330 first and just push under that eye. Now we're gonna be using this. This is the Black Radiance True Contour Palette. This is not new either, but we're gonna be using her, and I'm gonna use this Morphe brush. So I like to take the color in the middle. This is the Sculptor color, and we're just gonna bronze ourselves up. Now this palette is so pigmented, you guys, it's insane, so just be careful. Okay, for under the eyes, we're also going to use this Infallible L'Oreal Blurfection, and in the shade, I think this is in the medium deep pink, and I'm just going to push this under the eye. Now we're going to be testing out one of these two colors. These are both from Beauty Bakerie, and yeah, this one is shade Ginger Snap. I like her because she has like hints of like red and orange in there, which is cool. And then this one is shade Berry Pop. Oh yeah, she's pretty. That would be pretty as a blush too. Now, I don't think either one of these are going to be my lip color for the day because I am more of a natural girl, but those are gorgeous. Okay, so for lip, we're using a new product. This is the Rhode. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting my hands on this for so freaking long. Y'all don't even know. This is the Peptide Lip Shade in Balance. So I'm just gonna go and trace my lips out, and then we're gonna use a different color. This is like very close to my natural lip line. I'd say on the lighter end. I like with Rhode how it has this little like smudger on the back side. I think that's so pretty. It's like a cool little different tool. I'm gonna use a little bit of my MAC. This was from the JT collection. This is Lipstick Snob. I'm just using a little because this has like hints of purple in it too. I'm gonna go on top with this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in shade Athens. If you know me, you know I love this color on my lips. I will be topping it up with the road just on top again because I need to darken the sides. I also really like to overline. I just think that that's pretty. Over top with this yummy gloss. I love. Okay, I do want to bring a bit of color back to my face. So we're gonna go in with our Armani Beauty blush. This is what it looks like. This is in the shade 50. It's like the same part of like the luminous silk, but it's just in the powder form. So we're gonna take a little, and this has shimmer. Like, let me show you guys. And just put it all right here. So it brings like a very subtle glow. It's not a lot. Just like a little bit of glitter. I'm gonna brush a little across my nose, under my brow. Guys, I really love how this makeup is turning out. I'm like, do I want to do a liner? Let's just curl our lashes. Oh, I also forgot to mention, I got another product that is so cute and tiny. This is the YSL. It's like a little lip balm. And she's so pretty in pink. But it's like very, very, very neutral. I'm not gonna use her. It's literally just like a little chapstick, which is nice. Okay, now for mascara. I got this. This is the Lash Clash in the black. When I went to the YSL pop-up outside of Sephora, they gave me this. So I'm like, okay, let's try out this new mascara. I really love how the brush just looks so like, it literally looks like lashes to me. When I saw it, I was like, oh yeah, this is gonna give me volume. I feel like the makeup is turning out so tea. Okay, we're just gonna set her with this e.l.f. This is the Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist. Now I just need to add my CoverGirl, my little moles. This is like a dark brown color. So we're just gonna add these. Yeah, these tiny mirrors aren't gonna cut it anymore. You guys, this is the finished makeup look. I feel like it turned out so good. Like, the mirror's right here and I cannot stop staring. I'm like, clock it. I feel like I just came up with my new lip combo because I've been really trying to come up with like a pinky lip combo that's not too harsh, that's just soft and pretty. And that's why you have to go with your gut. Like, I knew this Rhode Peptide lip shade was gonna really do what needs to be done. I'm not kidding, I'm fucking obsessed. Wait, this is gorge. Okay, we're done. We're done here. We did what needs to be done. Okay, you guys, this is the final makeup look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video because I had fun making it. Let me know if you have any questions about any of the products. I will leave every product linked down below, and yes, so you guys can get them. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. If you guys want to see pictures of how the makeup turned out, be sure to follow my Instagram as well and subscribe to this channel because we are on the road to 10K and I'm really excited. So yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.